Natish21.
What up everybody, it's your boy Natish here, back with another video. So we are here at ECC Tuning and we're gonna get this C63S, not mine today. I don't think I want to do mine just yet, but we need some headers and stuff. But the C63S, Daniel's car, we are gonna get this thing tuned today with the transmission tune as well as the engine tune. A lot of guys do not do the TCU tuning because they're kind of scared or they don't want to spend the money. I strongly recommend you guys check out a TCU tune from ECC here, and it changes the entire behavior of the car. I'm gonna show you guys. This car has some issues with transmission. Sometimes when you make the power, if you just go to a regular tuner, you may not always have the same transmission performance. It will make the car significantly quicker by doing a transmission tune on this car. Even though the power numbers don't change, the actual performance of the car does drastically improve. So we are here and we're just gonna get the car brought in right now, and we're gonna get this thing flashed and let's see how it is after that.
Right there. Yeah, I heard your Chinese slip.
Yeah, I can feel it.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good job.
Alright guys, so the car's been brought in, so they're gonna start flashing the tune on it. Just take a look at the shop here they have here. Absolutely nasty cars they work on all the time. Just to give you an idea, like that E63 right there is a upgraded turbo, meth and fueling done on that. It is going to be around 1100 horsepower. Absolutely insane on stock motor as well. These cars in general can handle an incredible amount of power on the stock block and stock transmission. But recently I just found out from Vlad here at ECC is that the motor and transmission in the E63 can handle a significant amount more than the C63. So there is a significant difference in the actual build of both the cars. The rods, pistons, etc. are different on the E63, so they can handle a lot more. So something to kind of think about if you're into one of these cars. In general, Mercedes AMG cars are slept on. I can tell you guys these two cars here, when modded correctly, are incredibly quick and incredibly impressive in the way that they put their power down. Obviously that one being all-wheel drive and this one being rear-wheel drive. But yeah, let me just show you guys quickly. This TTRS is absolutely incredible. I'll get some of the specs and put them on the bottom side of the screen for you there, but take a look at this parachute car. Absolutely insane. Fully built motor, turbo, everything. These guys do obviously their own custom dyno tuning aside from the flash work as well. So really beautiful shop they have here. If you guys are in the Toronto area and you have a European car, anything really, and you want to get it tuned or make it fast, check out ECC guys. These guys are absolutely amazing. I've known these guys for a long time now and they've been running the Euro Street here in Toronto for quite some time. So definitely check them out.
Stock exhaust.
Cat delete. Wait till you hear when it's actually like. Is it on right now? Is it on sport? There you go. I know it's raining, but how was it?
Can't feel anything, bro.
It's the spin tires, right? Okay. We're gonna have to see on a dry day, but
The shifts are a lot smoother. You can already hear it on the upshifts. It's like instant.
no
Like
way.
you shift and it's like just like it's
So the tranny tune made a huge difference then. Okay, all right, good. Guys, you gotta check out this C63. Built motor, supercharged, built tranny, axles, meth, ice tank, everything. Look at this thing. Holy crap. Take a look at the tire at the back. What is that, a Mickey? God damn. This is gonna be nasty. I can't wait to see this. Oof, 507 Alcantara inside and everything. This is the dream build, guys, but I don't know. Holy crap. Super fast F80 DCT. Build motor, turbos, nuts. This car's apparently doing like 60 to 130 in the fours. Can even probably do threes. Absolutely insane.
It's actually very smooth. Yeah. It's got headers, it's got everything. But the way it runs,
Yeah, smooth. You hear it? Yeah. Wow. That's nasty. Look at that. So we're gonna see how it does on the street right now. I'm gonna get some footage now for you guys, even though it's raining, and then we're gonna get some footage in the dry as soon as I can and put it all in the same video so you guys aren't left like, oh, it's raining, you didn't get any good footage. Because you know, I don't want you guys to leave this video unhappy. So let's see what we got. How's the transmission feel? It's shifting a lot faster? More responsive? So the transmission, like, is a response change? Like, what is it? So he was right when he said it turns it into almost like a DCT, full DCT tranny. Yo! Ho, ho. Nah. Yo, your balls dropped on that one, right?
Nah, what do you mean? That's 100% in control.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're a funny tire, my boy.
Yo, if you guys saw what these guys just did in front of me, oh my god.
Content, eh? Oh, your ball fucker on that one, eh?
Holy shit! What the fuck? You can't make fun of the Beamer mans anymore. You're literally a talk man now. Like, that's it, you're done.
Yeah.
Daniel, you're a certified B58 man now.
Yeah.
B58 Danny.
B58 Danny.
I'm a V8 man.
Holy shit. Wait, so is there a way to get it to not do that?
Man's exhaust system counted.
I'm dead. Alright, that's enough of that.
burble shit, bro. This is like.
Maybe we can ask him to dash that.
Holy shit! Oh my god! Oh, this thing is fucking fast, eh? Holy. When you ease into it, it hooks up.
1, 2, 3, go! Oh, pretty good. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is get this thing washed and probably wash this one as well. And then let's see how that thing does on the street. Whew. So the burble tune is a little bit excessive. I know a lot of you guys are probably really interested in like that burble tune, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna have ECC tune down the burble tune a little bit because we just prefer to be a little bit less aggressive on the burble side. But this is still crazy for some of you guys really might like this. But yeah, we have that option, so we're gonna go and bring that down a little bit. Boy AMGDanny over here holding a fat L for touchless. Where's the touchless, my guy? That's not touchless. This guy's, yo, that's autopilot, Daniel. When your boy says he's not an autopilot man but forgot to click touch free. All right, these cars just came out clean, just dried them up. Let's take a look.
We can go after ball.
Either way. We got too many C63s in here. God damn. You gotta clean your wheel. Oh, I forgot to clean my brakes. Be right back. You got scared. You need no cars in front of you. That is disgusting. Where are you BMW mans getting your ears from? guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out my other videos of the G and AMG. I also drop videos of all kinds of other epic builds that you do not want to miss. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that bell with the notification so you know exactly when I drop a video. See you next time.